Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to configure site-to-site IPsec VPN configuration in Fortigate firewall. As you see that this is the lab diagram, right? What I have designed for this lab, I mean site-to-site IPsec configuration. So the purpose of this lab, how to configure site-to-site IPsec VPN if both sites uh, are same device. I mean at site A at FortiGate firewall and site B at FortiGate firewall, right? सो बोथ साइड अगर आपके पास FortiGate फायरवॉल है और आप चाहते हैं कि विदाउट एनी लीज लाइन के थ्रू आप बोथ साइड के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन कैसे करा सकते हैं, तो वो आपको साइड टू साइड आईपीसेक वीपीएन के थ्रू कर सकते हैं, राइट? अगर आपने दो इंटरनेट लाइन ले रखी है फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट डिफरेंट आईएसपी, लेट सपोज साइट ए पे हमने जो कनेक्टिविटी ले रखी है वो आईएसपी से, वो कोई आईएसपी से एक लीज लाइन ले रखी है, आई मीन इंटरनेट लिंक ले रखा है, राइट? एंड branch office, I have also taken one line to communicate the internet, right? Over the internet, we will configure site-to-site IPsec VPN at FortiGate firewall on both sides. I mean branch A and branch B. Let's suppose this is headquarter branch. I mean site A is the headquarter branch and site B is the branch office, right? So in the LAN zone, if I talk about in the LAN zone at headquarter branch, right, there are two different zone, right? Zone A, which is in 10.1.0/24, and zone B, which is in 10.1.2.0/24, and both zone are in different subnet, right? At the same configuration has been done on branch office, right, which is located at Mumbai location, right? So if I talk about switch, right, switch, I have configured access port, right, for this zone. I mean zone A and zone B are in different and different VLAN, right? This is this interface, I mean Ethernet 0/1 belongs to VLAN 10 and E0/2 belongs to VLAN 20, and between the switch and firewall, I have configured trunking, right? You know, you also know that how to configure trunking, so you can watch my video, so that will be helpful for you. So here I have enabled trunk, right? And this interface, I mean port 10, which is connected to the management PC, right? This is the management interface, and port 1, which is connected towards the ISP, right? And this ISP belong to this subnet, right? The same way you can see from branch office, same configuration has been done, right? So now I'm going to show you lab, right? So this is the lab, right? So from here, let me show you from here, I'm in zone B. From zone B से मैं ट्राई करूंगा जोन बी को, विच इज लोकेटेड एट मुंबई लोकेशन। आई मीन ब्रांच हेडक्वार्टर से मैं एक्सेस करूंगा ब्रांच ऑफिस के किसी भी एक डिवाइस को। नाउ एट दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सेस फ्रॉम जोन बी विच इज लोकेटेड एट मुंबई लोकेशन, राइट? फ्रॉम हियर आई विल एक्सेस दिस नेटवर्क, आई मीन 20.1.0/24, right, which is located in Mumbai location, right? So right now I'm not able to communicate I'm not able to communicate to this network, right? Let me show you. I'm going to log in this machine. I'm in zone B, right? So my zone B से, which is located, so as you can see that this is my router, right? Right now it is acting as a PC, right? And this is the also router which is acting as a PC, which is located at Mumbai location, right? So from Lucknow, headquarters I will try in 20.1.2.1, right? So as you can see that I am not able to ping from this IP, right, to this IP. So IP interface brief. So as you can see, right, this is the interface IP, right, which is connected to toward the switch, right, and I have configured the gateway, right, which is inter VLAN routing configured at Fortigate firewall at branch office, right. So as you can see that, right? So now I'm not able to ping at this time from Lucknow headquarters to the branch office which is located in Mumbai. So now I'm going to log in the Fortigate firewall. So as you can see that this is the management interface IP of the Fortigate firewall which is located at Lucknow location, and 79.3 which is located at branch office which is located at Mumbai branch. Now I am going to log in Fortigate firewall which is located at Lucknow branch, right? So let me give the introduction about Fortigate firewall, what I have configured till now on the Lucknow branch Fortigate firewall. So go to interface. So as you can see that port 1 which is connected to the ISP, right? And this port has been configured under the port 1. So as you can see that under port 10, I have configured 192.168.99.2, right? So this port is connected towards ISP, right? So under port 2, there are two SBI I have configured, right? VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, right? So I have configured zone as well, right? Zone A, which belongs to the VLAN 10, right? Zone B, which belongs to VLAN 20, right? So apart from, I have configured one static routes toward the ISP, right? So if I talk about on ISP router, I have configured only the interface IP address. That's it. And I didn't configure any, I haven't configured any static routing or dynamic routing on this internet router. I have configured only for the connectivity purpose, right? Right. So now, and same thing, I have configured this same configuration except network on the branch offices as well, right? So now I'm going to configure IPsec VPN. So in order to configure IPsec VPN, you have to go to under VPN section, right? Under the VPN section, there is a option IPsec wizard, right? So go to IPsec wizard and here type you have the type any of the name. So I'm going to put the name headquarter to branch, right? So template type will be site to site, right? Because I'm configuring site to site IPsec VPN, and there is no net configuration because communication is happening between the site to site. A remote device type will be the FortiGate firewall, right? Because both end the same vendor device, right? So click on the next and remote IP address, right? Remote IP address means the one interface IP address of the remote site. So 193.168.99.2, right? And by default, it will select the outgoing interface, but you can choose as your requirement. But at this time, I'm putting this ISP1, right? So test at the rate 123. So you have to ensure that preset key must be same, right, at the both end. So click on the next. Local interface, I will choose zone B, right? Local subnet, I mean 10.1.2.0/24, right? Because I'm going to access this subnet from the local machine. Let me show you from here, right? 10.1.2.0/24. From here, I will access this machine, right? Which belongs to 20.1.2.0/24. Remote subnet will be 20.1.2.0/24. Right? Then create next. So as soon as you configure VPN IPsec wizard, right? So you will see there will be there will be policy, right? So let me show you. By default, policy has been configured, right? So as you can see that. So now one more thing I want to show you. Go to network and static route. So earlier I have configured only this static route, the static default route. So once you configure the IPsec VPN, I mean site-to-site IPsec VPN, then you can see there will be the default route will be configured. One static route, I mean. So one more thing I want to show you. If you see the go to monitor, under the monitor IPsec monitor, till now tunnel is showing down, right? Why it is showing down? Because you haven't configured site-to-site IPsec VPN on other site, I mean branch offices, or site is down. So now I'm going to configure site-to-site IPsec VPN on branch office, which is located at Mumbai location. So same configuration I have configured on the branch office as well, except network, right? So as you can see. So here I have configured one static route, default route. So as you can see, and I haven't configured any policy till now. So once I will create the IPsec site-to-site IPsec VPN. So you will see that there will be the policy as well. So now I'm going to configure site-to-site IPsec VPN. So go to VPN, under the VPN IPsec wizard, right? So I'm going to put name dance to HQ and headquarter, right? So this one remote IP address will be 192.168.99.2, right? Which is the main IP of the Fortigate firewall from the Lucknow location, right? Pre-shared key will be just at the rate 123. Then create next. Local interface will be the zone B, right? Which belongs to the 20.1.2.0/24, 20.1.2.0/24, right? And local remote subnet will be 1.1.2.0/24, right? Then create new. So as you can see that configuration has been done of site-to-site IPsec VPN. So you can see that the tunnel is showing down till now. So I'm going to initiate traffic from the LAN machine of the headquarter branch. So as you can see that, right? So let me initiate the traffic from the Lucknow branch. Ping 20.1.2.1, repeat count 1000. So as you can see that earlier I was not able to ping 20.1.2.1. At this time, it is pinging because I have successfully configured site-to-site IPsec VPN and Fortigate firewall at both location, right? So once you refresh the tab, you will see that tunnel will be up. So as you can see that tunnel is showing the up, right? So if you want to see the policy as well, you can see the traffic is initiating. If I initiate the traffic from this machine, let me, as you can see, I have enabled debug ICMP packet. So I'm going to disable, right? So I'm going to ping 10.1.2.1. So as you can see that at this time I am able to access from the branch office to the headquarter device, right? So if I debug IPsec, so as you can see that I am getting the request and debug or so let me show you the panel as well. Remote side, once you refresh the tab, you will see that tunnel will be off. So as you can see, click on this tunnel. So as you can see that this is the tunnel. So go to monitor. Under the monitor section, IPsec monitor, click on this option. So right. So if I show you the policy, go to policy and object. So that you can see the traffic initiating, right? So NAT will be disabled, right? Because this communication is happening between the site. I mean site A and site. So there is no NAT requirement, right? If I show you the configuration, I mean logs at Fortigate firewall, then you will have to type diagnose VPN tunnel list. So as you can see the tunnel, right? Source IP this one and destination IP this one. You log in the secondary firewall which is located at Mumbai branch, right? Diagnose VPN tunnel list, okay, right? Right. One more thing I want to show you. There is no root of 10.1.2.0/24 and 20.1.2.0/24, right? आईएसपी के पास कोई भी रूट नहीं है। आईएसपी को पता ही नहीं है कि 10.1.2.0/24 एंड 20.1.2.0/24 on फिर भी कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है ओवर द इंटरनेट। So as you can see that route, right? So I to the routing table आप चेक करो, यहाँ पे आप चेक कर सकते हो कि यहाँ पे कोई भी रूट नहीं है, राइट? फिर भी कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है। ये क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि साइट टू साइट आईपीसेक वीपीएन के थ्रू हो रहा है। तो अगर आप यहाँ पे पैकेट कैप्चर करो, लेट मी कैप्चर दिस पैकेट एज वेल एज, राइट? सो अगर मैं ट्रैफिक इनिशिएट करूं फ्रॉम द Lucknow branch in 20.1.2.1 repeat 1000. So as you can see that this machine is able to ping branch offices network, right? तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ESP प्रोटोकॉल, राइट, इनकैप्सुलेशन प्रोटोकॉल यहाँ पे चल रहा है। तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो सारे ट्रैफिक इनक्रिप्टेड है, राइट। अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखाऊं, as you can see that encapsulation security protocol, right, फिर भी कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है, राइट। सो दैट्स हाउ you can configure site to site IPsec VPN. One more thing, if you want to delete site to site IPsec VPN, first you will have to delete policies, right। फर्स्ट आपको पॉलिसी डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, देन आप पाओगे VPN सेक्शन, राइट। VPN सेक्शन, अंडर द VPN देयर इज अ टनल, राइट, IPsec टनल आपको यहाँ पे डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, अभी ये डिलीट नहीं होगा। देन उसके बाद आप आओगे IPsec मॉनिटर में, जहाँ पे आपको डिलीट करने पड़ेगा। आफ्टर दैट यू कैन डिलीट स्टैटिक राउट, राइट, दिस वन हेडक्वार्टर टू ब्रांच रिमोट एंड हेडक्वार्टर टू ब्रांच रिमोट। एक दिखा रहा है आपका ब्लैक होल एंड हेडक्वार्टर टू ब्रांच, इसको डिलीट करना पड़ेगा। देन if you want to delete address, you can delete that one। अगर ये आपको दो एड्रेस डिलीट करने हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको इनको ग्रुप से रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, राइट। यहाँ से आप डिलीट करोगे देन ये रिमूव होंगे, पहले ये रिमूव नहीं होंगे, पहले आपको ये वाला रिमूव करना पड़ेगा देन ये रिमूव होंगे। So that's all about site-to-site IPsec VPN. If you have understood anything from this video, so I would like to request you, please like and share, subscribe my channel. So let me show you the my channel. So Cisco network. तो आपको गूगल में जाकर सिस्को नेटवर्क -एजेट टाइप करना पड़ेगा। देन यहाँ पे आपको दिखाएगा सिस्को नेटवर्क एजेट उमेश, देन आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको इजीली ये वीडियो मिल जाएगी, राइट। यहाँ पे here I have uploaded around 23 videos of Fortigate firewalls lab, right? So thank you for watching this video till the end.